Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a product description on the Pixelcut application via the AI Magic Writer feature. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the Create button down below and tap on the All button in the middle of the screen on the right side. Then scroll down to the bottom where you can see the Business Tools section, and within this section tap on the Magic Writer function down below, tap on Product Description, type in the product name, key benefits, and then click on the Generate button in the middle of the screen. So as you can see in the middle, it is being generated. So here it is. You can read it, and if you like it, you can mark it with a thumbs up button, or you can also regenerate it by tapping on the Regenerate button down below if you don't like the current description. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.